Hi guys, today I'm here with a new product for my vlogging setup. So this is a GoPro case from Ulanzi. So let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside. I've ordered it from Amazon, so the box is little damaged. So there's a sticker, bill, tag. So this is the product. Now coming back to why I bought this product. So my earlier vlogging setup looked like this. The issue that I faced with this setup was the mic adapter many a times used to come within the frame. So this product has a different chamber for the mic adapter. So thus avoiding the wire to come within the frame. It's a plastic body material, so you have to be a little careful with it. Ulanzi also makes an aluminum case for GoPro, which happens to be on a bit expensive side. I've mentioned the link for both the cases in the description box. So according to your budget, go for the one which suits you. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.